Twinkle and welcome back to my channel to another brand new video, and this one is exactly very requested. So many of you have messaged me, commented on my videos on my Instagram, asked me various times, where is the video, when are you uploading the video for Etihad, if Etihad is hiring, how to apply, we are not able to apply, and all of those questions. And apologies for being a little late, but finally we are here. And yes, today I'm going to tell you how to apply for Etihad. But there's a bigger question people are asking me, and I want to break the bubble. I want to not disappoint you, but tell you the actual thing. Etihad is not hiring. Yes, guys, Etihad is not hiring. So you must be thinking, why? And why am I here to make this video, and what am I going to tell you? So the question, though, the answer to your question is Etihad is not hiring. Why? Because there's no active application, active vacancy where you can open up and view the application and apply for your candidature can be accepted, and all of that process is not open yet. But yes, there was a news about Etihad removing their on hold status from cabin crew applications, which means that yes, the talent pool community is open for you. You guys, you can actually register your candidature, you can register your application on their website. That has been open just like any other positions, not just cabin crew. So in this video I'm going to tell you how can you register yourself for cabin crew position, or if any other position also, the process is going to be same. So we're going to learn, and also I'm going to solve a few of your queries and questions. So if you're interested to register yourself for Etihad upcoming vacancies for cabin crew or any other position, then keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it, because you will be able to get notified on any new videos. And also on my Instagram, yes, Instagram, because I make a lot of announcements, I do a lot of informative posts, Q&A, and most of the information that does not come here comes there faster, and a lot of your queries will get sorted, you will be answered quicker, and you will get to learn a lot on that platform. So I will highly recommend you to subscribe to follow me on my Instagram. The link will be in the description. And with that said, let's begin the video. So this is going to be the interface, but for this what you have to do is just go right Etihad careers, like this. It should be here. So I'm gonna go back and show you how exactly it is. You can go on Google, in the browser you can write Etihad and careers. So this is the sort of page which will cover. If not, you should be the first page that should cover, that should come, and you will go and directly click on careers here. Yes, so a lot of people are doing it through view profile, and that will not allow you to sort of upload your documents, which is another way. For the moment, we're not able to gauge why you're not able to upload your resume. Some people are saying do it in the picture form, but do not worry, you can register yourself, because as per the recruiters, when I had the word with them, one of the recruiters told me that the community pool, the talent community pool is open and you all can register. However, if there is a vacancy, you'll be able to apply for it. So don't be very stressed out for the moment. You can register yourself, and that's going to be the same. Just go ahead and register this way, and that should solve the purpose. So you go down, you see cabin crew position here, get on to learn more, and then you'll see there are a few eligibility criteria requirements here, which is very clear. High school graduate is minimum, arm reach of 212 cm, there is no minimum height criteria, and all these information. So if you're following me for some time now, you know how important are keywords, and you can use these things also as a part of your keywords. If you follow me, you watched my resume series, you want to make your ATS proof resume, which is very important for Etihad, because Etihad has been relying on ATS proof resumes for a very long time, even before the pandemic hit. So yes, they do it through online applications only, doing it for a very long time. So make sure your resume is ATS proof. If you haven't made your resume yet, if you're not sure about ATS, your resume being ATS proof or not, and you need help, you can also check out my website www.twinkleanand.com. I will leave the link also in the description, and you can also watch my videos, the resume series video, to help you with making your resume and making it ATS proof as well. Yes, so if you think you have all these things, you will click on the join now button. By joining this, it means that you're okay to join their talent community. So if there is a match in any of their vacancies that you apply for and your profile, they would get in touch with you. But before that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about their assessment day dress code. A lot of questions on the dress code as well. So as you can see, this is the basic that they expect you from. Now, there were a lot of questions that shall we or shall we not upload a photograph with our resume or not. So guys, looking at the industry that you're applying for, photograph is not even a question. I am sure you must, in this field where your looks and the way you look is so important, a photograph becomes a mandate thing. There shouldn't be even a question. Yes, if you don't have a full profile at the moment, it's okay to apply, but I will highly recommend you to have a file, have a CV with full photograph and a small a passport size photograph ready, and then apply. So as you can see, the hair should be neatly tied, there should be full face of makeup, business attire, no casual attire. Jacket is not mandatory, but I would again highly recommend you to wear it, and shoes with heels only, no flats, with stockings of your skin tone. Same with guys, the boys need to be properly groomed, no makeup at all, clean shaven, hair nicely cut, fresh cut, recent photograph should be there, suit with a jacket. And see, again, mandatory, it's not mandatory to have a jacket, but highly it's preferable. Even they say it is preferable, so go ahead and have one. And the shoes should be black formal work shoes. That's what they prefer, so please go for what they prefer. Recruitment process, just to give you a brief on how it is, the first stage is your CV. So if your CV clears the stage that clears the ATS, then you will be invited to participate in their assessment day. So before the pandemic hit, as also it's written, due to global coronavirus pandemic, all scheduled assessment days have been postponed. So as and when they think that it is okay to schedule one for future assessment day, they will do it. But I'm just going to tell you what all they include in their assessment day. There is a reach safety check to check if you are able to touch the mark of 212 cm. There will be an experience discussion, individual experience discussion, an English test, a group exercise. All of that, once you're done with all of this, these are the different exercises, different stages that you have to undergo to check your teamwork, collaboration, your skills, all of that. And this, it will be followed by a final interview. And these are all elimination based series, elimination based stages. For example, if at any stage you're not able to clear, you will not go on to the second stage. So yes, these are all elimination based stages. Once you're done with it, the final assessment is done, your application will be reviewed, and the results of your assessment day will be out. And if you're successful, they will get in touch with you and they will guide you for everything. So you can go ahead and check out their website with regards to any of your other questions. Now moving on to join now. So we go ahead and click on join now. Okay, so see, clearly they say you can join our talent community. It is very easy registration. You need to put your email ID. That's what I'm gonna put here now. Okay, again I'm gonna do this, my first name, my last name. This is very easy, guys. Country of residence for me is India. Okay, it should be a permanent address country, not your temporary address. Okay, and then your contact number, though it's not mandatory, but I will highly recommend you to do it. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to load it. Then which area, if whatever is the field. So we are interested in cabin crew. Consent if you want to receive alerts from Etihad Aviation Group or any other, you can do that. And if you'll not be able to submit here because there is this data privacy consent statement, you have to go accept this, and only after that you'll be able to submit.
Okay, so it's working. So since my profile was already there, it will read thank you for registration again. Note your profile is already there, because I have, of course, before making this video, tried and tested this thing, and only then I'm sharing this with you. Otherwise, it should say thank you for submitting, your profile has been submitted, or things like that, right? Apart from that, I don't think so there should be any problem. So currently there are no vacancies. If also, there is another way by viewing profile. You can actually create your profile here, but a lot of people are having problems uploading their resume and their documents. So I'm going to show you how they're doing it. And okay, so since you see that my profile is here, so this is another way that people are trying to upload their update their candidate profile and create a profile. So let us try to upload a CV from here. I'm going to try and upload the same document, simply because we know that the resume there was uploaded, so there's no problem with the format. But let's see if we are able to upload it here or no. So it's uploading, but there's an exception. So there's this error which is coming up. It's the same with attaching a cover letter as well. And there is other profile information that should get filled up, and jobs applied should be shown. So if you're not able to do this, similarly like me, I'm not able to do it. There are people who are telling we are uploading photographs and all. And let's see, let's try if a photograph gets uploaded. Let's see. So even the photograph is not getting uploaded, so I'm not too sure about this. Nevertheless, if you're not able to do it through this way, then just go on careers, and again same method, and join the talent community here. Just register it. This is the easier way. Do it this way, submit, and you should be done. You should not receive any email as such. I don't think so, but it should say thanks for submitting. Even if you don't receive it, guys, don't panic, because there's no vacancy as such. You're registering your profile, so there's no hurry. And also, one thing, very important thing, whenever you upload your CVs and your photographs, make sure you give your best shot, and don't keep on doing again and again, because when they see it, they get to know everything that you do. You're editing, you're doing it again and again, so it's sort of very, very unprofessional. With that said, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, like, share and comment. And with that said, let me close the video. I will see you in your next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.